How to import new LUTs in Davinci Resolve. In your browser, go to freshluts.com. Click on Browse LUTs. Click on the LUT that you like. Here you can see its license. Log into this site and download the LUT. Now in Davinci Resolve, I added a video and I want to apply this LUT to it. Go to the color page and open up LUTs panel. Right-click on any of the LUTs and select Open File Location. Here, make sure you're in the LUT folder. Create a new folder and copy your downloaded LUTs into this folder. Now in the LUTs panel, right-click on the LUTs folder and click Refresh. And now you can see that the folder I created is here and I can click on it and apply my LUT. To delete a LUT, right-click on the folder and select Open File Location and delete the folder. In the LUTs panel, right-click on the LUTs folder and click Refresh. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.